Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today I am going to be doing another unboxing or package, whatever you want to call it, and I'm building I'm doing an upgrade, not a build, my gaming PC. I've decided to do a new build. I'm going to put a new motherboard in, processor, RAM, and add a faster hard drive, which will be an M.2. I've ordered all the parts and one of them's turned up today, which is hopefully it should be my RAM sticks, looking at the size of the packaging. So I'm going to do this. I went to undo it and I thought, oh, I've got to do my unboxing. So I stopped myself, so that's why it's like that. So we'll get on with it. And it should be G.SKILL. Let's have a quick look. There it is. Don't think there's anything else in the packaging. Nope. Throw that away. So anyway, so you've got Trident Z with RGB lighting, I might like to add. I went for that because I like the RGB lighting. I'll just show you around the back. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to need a nice cut open. Yeah, it looks quite nice. This is the DDR4. And it should be, yeah, it is the 4000s. So I went for the 4000. You can go to the, I think it's a 4133s, but the money went up quite a bit, so I decided these were the next best thing. They're just as expensive, just over £300. So RAM at the moment is very expensive. So with that, I'll get them out, carefully cut this without damaging anything. Do it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing my new build, or new internals, the main bits. Yeah, nicely packaged. I wasn't expecting a lot. Obviously get a sticker come with it, G.SKILL sticker, with their gskill.com on there as well. Nothing much there, show you that. Yeah, it looks alright. Let's get it out of here, shall we? Yeah, it feels quite nice. Got G.SKILL on there. Show you the other side. So I've got two of these. These are 8 gig each, so that's 16 gig. G.SKILLs. Plug them in, and well, once I get my my new motherboard and that, so plug them all in, see how we get on. Well, that's it for now. Obviously, once I've rebuilt my PC, I'll do a video showing them running. There's plenty of videos out there anyway for you lot to look at. But if you're interested in this sort of thing, there you go, that's it. So it's only a quick video, just a quick unboxing. Get in there, to go around that way, or do you even go around that way? Don't want to damage them. That one went in easy enough. I would have thought they would have gone like that or something. There you go. No. There you go. Got there in the end. I'll put them back in their packaging because I don't want them to get damaged. My little sticker. So that's it. Nothing much to show really. Like I say, it's just that's just for the RAM. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, or if you like, you know, me to do it slightly different, let me know. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe. Have a nice day.